Good afternoon! Welcome to Sugbalagong Siargao! Mabuhay!
Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. How you open shell?
Siargao! Hello, good morning guys. So, ayan, sa sinabi ko kagabi, today tayo mag-room tour kasi yupak na yupak kami kagabi. So, ayan, let's start inside the room. Good for 6 po pala ang nabook ko dito. It's for 7,114. Good for until from April 13 to 16. So, we have here the television, bunk beds. 3 bunk beds. Ayan. And then, we have here the aircon. And the good thing here is marami siyang outlets. Dito. Isa pa dito. Isa pa dito. Tapos, isa pa dito sa likod. Ayan. So, dito ang door palabas. Connecting po siya dito sa dalawang CR. Isang CR dito. Isang CR. Ayan. 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 Tapos dito, hallway na siya dyan. Tapos dito isang sliding door. Or window, sorry. Ayan. Morning, Siargao. Tapos dito, outlet na naman, isang mini ref. Ayan, wag na natin buksan. Tapos meron kaming own wifi here. Own wifi. Tapos free water. Tapos kagabi, meron kaming natirang ulam sa birthday celebration ni Alfred. Ito yung mama ni Alfred, tita. Tapos merong ano dito guys, you can cook. There are free utensils to use. There is a gasol, so you can cook. Ayan, we're cooking here for our breakfast for our second day. Kasi para makatipid. Kasi mahal dito ang mga restaurant. Pero yung, siguro yung mga karinderya, i-try namin mamaya. May mga utensils, ayan. Dito, bukasan. Ayan, may sliding window dyan. Tapos dito ang main door. Ayan, guys. Ayan, may dalawang chair sa labas. Ayan. Tapos may sarili kaming hayhayan. Sampayan. Sorry. Ayan. Ayan, yan lang po. And mamaya, 8 AM, samahan nyo kami sa day 2 namin in Siargao. Ayan guys, pupunta kami sa dagat. Kasi sa gilid ng pinagstayhan namin, may ano dito, may dagat. Nearby.
In 2 minutes. Oh, so it's high tide.
Love it. Sa gilid talaga siya ng dagat, guys. Yung napagstayhan namin. Ayan, guys. Gilid na ng Megan's Homestay. Love. If you're in Siargao, it's literally an island. The ocean and the beaches. Look at that. Look at that. So we're having a light coffee before we have a tour today. What's your name, Nay?
Ellen.
Ellen. Nindot kayo mong location, no?
Name is Ian.
Ayan. Nindot location kay front yung ka sa beach. Imo nga dyan yung house land po.
Pero
ang yuta, oo.
Sa government.
Sa government? Oh, okay.
Kaya tibali, atong taon na time, inidagat pa na time.
Ah, okay.
So, tibali, amo na sinubigan sa dagat.
Okay, okay. Mahal na ba yung ang yuta? I promise. Siargao pa ka. Famous ka yung Siargao. So if you have a lot in Siargao, you are like mayaman na.
Pero Ako time may amo lupa dito sa Cloud9.
Sa Cloud9. Yan ay magabalik ya.
5,000 pa ang discount.
Pero mahal gihapon oy.
Sa una.
5,000 oh. Sa karon, it's
Ay na mga mudyaga na 30.
30,000 or kasi it's Cloud9, di ba? Ayan guys.
Bye-bye.
So marami mga foreigner nag-invest no. You can like dive anytime kaya it's a public beach no. Sige, thank you. Thank you po nanay.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, so we're now going to South Tour on our day 2 in Siargao. Kuya, ano first destination?
Mountain View.
Mountain View. Mountain View ang aming first destination ngayon. See you there. Alright guys, so we're now on our first destination for our South Tour today. Mountain View Deck. So the place is very, very good. Look at this guys. Look at this. Ayan. Super nice. Alright guys, so we are here now in the Mountain View Deck. So look at the view, guys. Ayan. We love Siargao! So sa gilid guys, meron nagtitinda ng mga buko juice. Ayan, hello Ten. Meron dito.
Kami ma'am at saka banana turon.
May buko pa kami dito. 50 lang yung buko.
Mayroon din kami buko, ang praise buko, 50 lang po.
Meron din kami pambustro, ma'am.
Ano ang pinakaiba ng buko ng Siargao sa ibang ano?
Ako, ma'am.
Ang pinagkaiba po ito, bagong pitas.
Ilan, ma'am?
Oo.
Isa lang?
Saka praise.
Hi guys, so we're now on our second destination here in the Coconut Road. So malapit lang siya dun sa Mountain View Deck. So ayan. Ayan. Alright, so we're here in our third destination. Ang bilis no? In Maasin River. Ayan. So, ang daming ano dito guys, bilihin. Kilawin. So, cook na to or ano? Fresh? Oh my God, ang sarap yan.
How you open shell. Unlock in the shell.
Wow.
Kalamansi lang ito.
Sige ma, dami ng tubig, bikaon ba?
Buhay pa yun.
Alright.
Ay, ang sauce. Kaya masarap siyang may sauce.
Ay, heard again.
Guys. Ayan guys. Let's try the fresh.
Kaya daw mo kaya. Cheers.
Cheers to good luck.
Tayo sa suka imuha
Meron
ka.
niya.
Suka sa oil.
Asan ko ah? Kalamansi tayo. Sure ko. Dako lagi ko ayos siya.
Ang kang bayi man na, di ba bayi? Ang laki din na siya, di ano ba? Ang laki kay mura man, ang laki kay mura man daw to.
Are you ready? More suka, more suka, more suka.
Bayi din na.
Cheers everyone!
So? Ano ka na?
Parang balot.
Kasi may nasuka ka na ha?
Wait, I want to try.
Parang balot siya, guys.
Lamig ay sa paw.
I'll have love tried this one.
Ate, isa pati.
Lamig.
Hello! Welcome to my channel. Ayan yung ano. Magkano yung boat?
600 po, good for 3 person.
Ay, 600 for 3.
Mura na po yan.
Ilang hours or ilang minutes?
10 minutes ma'am, karating na kayo doon sa lagoon. Tapos 10 minutes pabalik. Tapos pwede kayo maligo doon. Total time or travel niyo ma'am is 1 hour.
Pero yung stay namin doon, 1 hour lang. So, meron kaming ano?
Yes, may
Okay.
nakasagwan po kayo ma'am.
Okay. Yung entrance is magkano?
30 pesos po each.
Okay, 30. Oh. Yung ano ba, yung driver na, marunong yung mag-picture-picture?
Yes po.
Okay.
Marunong po.
Hello.
Welcome to Tikmaasin River.
Alright, so we'll be trying the boat, river boat. May life jacket na nakasama, pero ikaw yung life jacket ko. Charat! So guys, nauuhaw kayo, meron tayong paninda dito ng mga palamig. Ayan. Hello, uy, gwapo ko si kuya guys. Oh, ayan. Ina ka ng welcome to Siargao.
Hi guys, welcome to Siargao.
Invite mo naman yung mga viewers ko.
Ano na kayo guys, punta na kayo ng Masin River kung gusto nyo. Ako na mag-guide sa inyo.
Ay! Anong name?
Gilbert.
Gilbert. Hi, Gilbert.
Let's go. Sige, wait lang.
Oh, it's ha. Hawakan mo ang aking mga kamay. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Uy, mo ambak taon niya later, dira love o.
Go. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga.
Nice cake yung.
Oh, picture sa badali. Uy, ano ba na?
Wow, nanduta sa kuan.
Hello.
Welcome to the Philippines. Love the Philippines. Love Siargao.
You're the owner, my free sunscreen lahat.
Yes. Free sunscreen and free snacks. Tita. Lawal Korean kaayo eh. Pagdating dito sa lagoon, meron silang binibigay na number. We're number 13 kasi daw maliit lang yung space, and they actually do like waiting area or waiting ganun. Yan. Guys. Yan yung lagoon, guys.
Ang gi-expect ang tanan nga mag-prepare sila information number. Kay kapag kayo laan kayo magpaabot so mag-practice ba mag-TikTok. So kanay present na yung tubangan sa pa-picture sa ubo. So may na lang ko nay naligo na sa silitan awon. Sa barangay captain na to dere.
Alright guys, so we're done na here sa Secret Lagoon and we're heading back to the sa labas. And i-try ko mamaya if maka-jump dun sa may parang jumping area. So dito kami sa gilid ng bamboo raft. Wala picture ating kaibigan na si Freya. Nagsisim-swim muna tayo dito sa malamig na tubig ng maasim Litik River. Alright guys, so Love Comp will go first for their first level jumping competition. Go, go, go! Woo! Woo!
Wow.
How was it?
How's the water?
Cool.
Go! Woo! Oh my God!
Wow.
Wala na record, Char. Go! Woo! Wala mo na kuha mong camera. Woo! Go, go, go. It's cold. It's cold. You go, John. Yep. How was it? Alright guys, so it's my turn, everyone. This is what I am waiting for. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hello, this is only being done by...
This is only done by professional channel cannibals.
Go!
Go, 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 go.
She didn't know how to swim.
Not much. So you can do it.
Go, love!
3, 2, go.
Alright! One down.
Alright guys, so we're here now in the port of... Asan ang port? Del Carmen. Papuntang Subbalagon. So, ito po yung docking area. I-ask natin mamaya magkano yung boat. Ayan.
Step 1, go.
Ayan. Hello guys! Are you excited?
Very much excited.
Okay. Don't forget to wear your sunblock. Ate, magkano yung yung bangka?
Subbalagon lang po kayo.
Subbalagon lang. So, boat rental 2-1. Entrance fee is 50. So, sakay namin bangka guys. To the lagoon. Alright, so we're finally here. Ayan.
muss quasi immer die Inseln nehmen, die du gesehen hast. Ja, genau, die gerade so ein bisschen gehypte, so gerade Newcomer. Ja, ist jetzt auch gerade, ja.
Alright guys, so it's 4 o'clock afternoon here for our day 2. We're done with the Suba Lagoon and we're heading now back to our bangka. Guys. Okay. We're back in Del Carmen. 50 pesos guys. If you're interested, optional lang naman to. Hindi mo sila pilitan lang.
Alright, so hi guys, take over tayo. So habang sila ay nagbabayaran sa kanilang mga souvenir, tayo ay sa sunset nila. Look at it.
Instagram.
So guys, medyo natagalan kami sa previous destinations namin at gabi na kami nakapunta dito sa Afam Bridge. So, hindi na masyadong maganda. But we'll try to go back here tomorrow after ng island hopping namin and catch the Afam Bridge and Cloud9. So, Cloud9 and Afam Bridge are just the 2 destinations na hindi natin napuntahan today's tour. So, we'll try our luck tomorrow. Thank you. Mango sticker rice. So they're closing now. So nag-buy one take one sila for 100 pesos. Ayan, one for Alfred. And then one for me. Free ko one.
Can I come try?
Free mango. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
Free mango. Ay, sayang ang mango. Let's try. This is cuisine from Thailand.
Sorry.
This is the Katarman Bridge, or also known as Afam Bridge. Alright guys, so saglit lang kami dito since gabi na. After this one, we'll go back to our homestay or our room, freshen up, and then take our dinner, and then we'll go to somewhere na may mga beach party, nightlife and all. So again guys, this is actually the end of my day 2 tour here in Siargao. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notification. Until tomorrow for the island hopping. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.